Question. Double entry system of accounting was propounded by options Luca Pacioli, Chanakya, Peter Drucker, Confucius. Answer option A, Luca Pacioli. 20% profit on sales price means dash on cost. Options 33%, 25%, 15%, 30%. Answer option B, 25%. Ratio of net income to number equity shares is known as options net profit ratio, option B current ratio, option C earnings for share, option D dividend per share. Answer option C earnings for shares. Next question. The Travancore State Congress was formed in the year options 1938, 1937, 1936, 1939. Answer option A 1938. The Kerala Kaumadi newspaper was started by options Dr. Palpu, G.K. Pillai, C. Keshavan, C.V. Kunyiraman. Answer option D C.V. Kunyiraman. The first president of Nair Service Society was options K. Kelappan, Mannathu Padmanabhan, G.K. Pillai, C. Krishna Pillai. Answer option A K. Kelappan. A.B.Selam was a famous options Muslim leader, Jew leader, Christian leader, Nair leader. Answer option B Jew leader. The Pattini march from Kannur to Madras in 1936 was led by options E.M.S. Namboodiripadu, P. Krishna Pillai, A.K. Gopalan, G. Shankaran Nair. Answer option C A.K. Gopalan. The Church Mission Society was founded in 1821 by options Arnos Pattini, option B Ringeltab, option C Benjamin Bailey, option D Herman Guttert. Answer option C Benjamin Bailey. അടുത്ത question. Which among the following state is known as Denmark of India? Which among the following state is known as Denmark of India? Options Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh. Answer option B Haryana.